Welcome to Zumex Food Engineering. In the following video, we will show you how to disassemble, maintenance and clean the Mastery machine. Start the disassembling process by removing all of the components that have been in contact with the juice: press plates, tapes, anti-drip, blades, tank and bag. Each component can be cleaned by rinsing, degreasing, rinsing again, disinfection and a final rinse. To clean the bag, we recommend using a spatula to remove the majority of the pulp, a brush to remove the remaining pulp, and a wash point to wash the bag after. Soak the bag in hot water whilst preparing a chlorine solution in a bucket using the quantity indicated by the manufacturer. Then immerse the bag in the bucket for a minimum of 3 hours. After this, rinse the bag with hot water to remove the remaining chlorine. To dry the bag, leave it spread out in a dry environment. Washing areas with internal drainage. Before carrying out the cleaning process, you should unplug the machine from the general switch. As a precaution, you should separate the control panel from the machine whilst washing, as it could be susceptible to getting wet, and it is recommended that you do not apply water directly onto the control panel on the screen and buttons. Although the floor has a drainage system, it is advisable to have a tank at the outlet of the juice, which will collect the majority of the water used to clean the machine. When washing the machine, use a hose at an average pressure to remove pulp remainders. Then spray the machine with a degreaser, rinse with water, disinfect and finish with a final rinse. Then with a cloth, dry all the components, especially focusing on the control panel. Washing areas without a drainage system. For components which are not equipped with an internal drainage system, they must be washed at the washing point, performing the same cleaning procedure with an extendable tap. It is essential to place the tank under the juice collection tray where we can collect the water used in the cleaning process. To clean the hopper thoroughly, we can disassemble it from the hinges and wash it separately at the washing point. Machine maintenance. For optimal conservation and to prolong the life of the machine, you need to perform the following maintenance. Basic daily maintenance. Grease the guides with oil grease. Check the condition of the bags. Basic weekly maintenance. Check the status of the blades. Check the tightness of the cylinder nuts. Check the wear of the guides. Check the tightness of the nuts of the hydraulic pipes. For more information, contact our technical service, service@zumex.com.